Resetting Windows 11 PC or laptop is really very easy. If you're unable to reset or if you are having some issues with the laptop, you can simply reset it without deleting your files. So we need to click on the start and then we will go to settings and then we will go to system, and here in system scroll down and you will look for recovery. Once you find it, the third option will be reset this PC. Choose to keep or remove your personal files, then reinstall Windows. I'll click on reset this PC and it gives us two options: keep my files, remove everything. So it is up to you whether you want to keep your files or remove everything. So I'll select keep my files, remove apps and settings, but keeps your personal files. Once I'll select that, it will not take much time. Now here, how would you like to reinstall Windows? So if your internet is working fine and if you do not know about your health recovery partition, then you should go with the cloud download. Firstly, I would recommend to do the local reinstall because it is much faster and it will take very less time and data. So you can try that. I'll select local reinstall and then it says restore apps and settings. This came with PC, reinstall Windows from this device. Click on next and then it will ask you to connect your charger if it's not connected. So I'll quickly connect it and this will be gone. I'll click on again. Now it says this won't take long and really it should not. Now it says resetting will change settings back to their defaults, which is like when you bought it in the first day. It will keep your personal files, reinstall Windows from this device, remove all apps and programs that didn't come with this PC, and you can have a look of that. You can simply click on view apps which will be removed. So in my computer, these are the applications which will be removed. And once you click on reset, it will restart your computer and you just need to follow the very easy instructions and it will be restarted few times and you will be able to reset your PC. Alright, by any chance if you face issues, then you can simply go with the cloud download and then do the same procedure and you will be able to reset your PC. Okay, do let me know in the comment section if you have successfully reset your PC, and if you have any issues, do let me know that as well. I'll try my best to fix your problem. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.